Hey beautiful people, my name is Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a quick haul with some pieces that I received from Knowfashionstyle. So these pieces are for the summer. It's summer where I live still, so I'm sure it's summer where some of you are living. So I'm going to be trying them on for you. I do have a discount code because they send me over these items. You can use ROBER-13 to save an extra 13% off. So I'm going to be trying them on for you and showing you my sizes and so on and so forth. So stay tuned, and before you leave, please remember to like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on your post notification bell so you never miss an upload. And I'll see you guys next time. Okay guys, so the first dress we have is this green casual stripe patchwork turn down color skirt dress. This one was $17.99. all right, so it has buttons all the way down to the middle, which I'm going to turn it around in a second and show you guys. And this one is polyester. There's no stretch. Well, yeah, there's no stretch to this one, and the sizes ranges anywhere from small to extra large. Okay, so let me turn the camera around so you guys could see the length on this one. And I got mine in a size large. Okay, and it goes all the way down to the ankle. Let me turn the camera around so you could see it. All right, so it has buttons all the way in the front, and it goes all the way down. So I like it. So this is how the front looks up close. I just have it buttoned because I have this push-up bra, so it kind of makes it with that little gap right here when you close the buttons. But you can close it up all the way. If you'd like, you can go all the way up to the top. But of course, I'm not going to wear mine like that. So I'll just turn it down, and I just have the top button here open. So she's cute. It's long all the way down like I like it. Okay guys, this one is called the Red Casual Floral Bandage Patchwork Printing Stringy Smocking two-piece. Smocking neck two-piece. So it's actually a two-piece, right? This one I got in a size large as well. And the price for this one is $15.99. right? So let me show it to you guys. Let me tell you that what material it is. So the material is polyester. All right, so this one is long. It's a two-piece pant set. It's high-waisted, so this one goes all the way down. So let me turn. This is how the neck looks. So it actually has, let me show you guys. I just have it tucked under my bra. Actually has, it's just a shirt that's open. It's crossed. So I'm just tying the strings in the back. I'm just tying the strings in the back. Okay. It has like, it's very stretchy. It's a little strange to me, like, because it goes so high, but it's high-waisted. And then it goes all the way down to the front. You see? Yeah. So the color is pretty. I like the top better. I don't know if I like the stretchy part here in the middle, but like I said, it just comes right, and then you just cross it and tie it. So I'm gonna tie mine a little bit over the top of the pants. The length is really good because it's like touching the ground. And I'm not even putting on any shoes with these because, you know, yeah, it's stretchy. So I like it. I like the material. It feels nice. I like this. The sleeves has, you know, the elastic right here and right there, and you know, the elastic in the waist, so you can stretch the fit. So I like it. It's cute. It's different. Okay guys, so the next thing I have is this orange button-up dress. This one is $17.49. All right, it's called the Orange Fashion Casual Solid Turn Down Color Shirt Dress. It has the buttons here in the front. The sleeves are long, which you can turn up the sleeves and have it, you know, button up here. I got this in a large. The fabric on this one is polyester, right? So this one is very cute. I love the color. So we could turn up the sleeves, which I would probably definitely turn up the sleeves. It's still warm where I live in Georgia still, so it's still warm. So I will definitely, I can wear it. So it has these little things that you can connect right here to make the sleeves shorter. All right, so I'm not gonna button the other. I'm not gonna button the other one. I'm not gonna, you know. All right, so this is where the length hits. It hits like right here. I mean, this is cute. I like her. That's the back. Yeah, so you know, this is my favorite color. If you guys know, this is my favorite color. So I love this one. Love it, love it, love it. It's very flirty and cute and nice. And I can put it on while it's still hot. And then I can save it for next summer. Okay, this is the next one. So this is like a kimono short set. It comes with the shorts. I just threw on a little t-shirt with it. Couldn't find my tank top. So this one was $17.99. So this is long. The kimono part is long and go all the way down, almost to the ground. So you can wear these with some sandals if you'd like. If you want, you can wear them with heels if you're going out, and put on a little sexier top, you know. This side, I just put on a t-shirt, regular t-shirt, and this is how it looks, right? So you can also just wear the kimono top part with some jeans, some long jeans. So this is nice. The color is nice. They have it like in a pink color. They have blue. Yeah, and they have like a reddish color. So I like this one. Okay guys, so the next one that I have is this blue with pink, light blue and dark blue print, and it has it's a jumpsuit. All right, this one is $23.99. I got it in a size large, and it's tube top. So excuse me if you see my bra here showing. I could have gotten it in a medium because this part is a little like too loose for me, and it has a little peephole here, which is cute. It's long, kind of has like these pleats. I think they call this accordion. All right, So it's long, it goes all the way down. And like I said, I'm not really styling it, I'm just putting it on, so I don't even have my shoes on. But I love this one. If you're a tall girl, this one, look at that. When I stand, you can't see my feet. It's covering my feet. So you could put it on with some heels. If you're really tall, then you could wear it with sandals and it won't be dragging on the floor like it is here with me. So this one's very cute. I like it. Very, 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 very cute. I love the colors. Yeah, you know, I have a few more days, a couple more weeks before it gets really cold where I am. It's loose, it's not hanging too much in this area. I really like it. I love the color. I love the material. Let me see what fabric this is. Sorry guys. Fabric for this one is polyester. That's what I thought. Yeah, polyester. And it's like I said, it's $23.99. So I'm loving this one. I think this one is my favorite. This one's my favorite. I love this one the most. And then the second favorite is the orange dress, because you know orange is my color. So you know, if you're looking for a nice little romper jumpsuit, I would check this one out. Let me come up close so you can see it has like a crisscross thing here in the front, right? And this tube top. Of course I have my bra on, so I'm hiding the straps, but I like it. It has a little elastic in the back too. So very cute, very cute. Love it. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know which one is your favorite. This one is, it's like I said, it's so long. Okay guys, and so we have come to the end of the video. I would like to thank Knowfashionstyle for sending me out these items. Again, I will leave down the in the description section all of the items that I tried on today. All right, just in case it's warm where you are, you can get a few pieces. I do want to thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like the video, share the video, subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you never miss an upload, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.